Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome to this Copy YouTube channel, that is Copy webinars. My name is Rakesh and I'm your host here. You're watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 8th of September 2020. The day is Friday, the last trading day of the week. But this is really very interesting day today. We have seen a lot of price action here. So who am I, guys? My name is Rakesh, as I have told you there, and do not confuse me as an employee of Copy Bank. I am not an employee of Copy Bank. When I say this, I mean to say that everything that I say in this live stream, it has nothing to do with the bank. All these opinions and the trading ideas are of my own. Therefore, please don't think that it is coming from Copy. It is coming from me. I am an independent analyst. In the next few minutes, I will be doing the price action analysis of all the pairs that we see. We will see how we can use these price action analysis. I mean, in the process, we'll be taking out or finding out the key points, the key levels for all the pairs, and we'll see how we can use those key levels in our trading. And if you're with me from last 1 year, we have been doing this analysis. And if you're with me for last 1 year, you already know how the things are done here. And if you don't know, please go through my previous videos. You will have an idea of how I trade. Without further ado, let me take you through the risk disclaimer, and thereafter we'll hop onto the charts. But before I start this stream, I must tell you that whatever I say in this webinar, it should not be taken as a trading advice. It is not a trading advice. It is only you can take it as a knowledge enhancement process or something of similar sort. You want to put your money on the line, then don't put your money on the line based on my analysis. Do your own research and then you can do the trading. So here comes the risk disclaimer. Thereafter, the first chart, like always, it is the dollar index on your charts, right? On your screen right now. Here it is. So what is this happening? You see this thing? This is a bullish pin bar on the previous resistance, which is now acting as a support. So it is a classic break and retest type of structure here. Break, retest, then boom. So now 104.59 area is confirmed as a good support for the USD JPY. In the next target, sorry, not USD JPY, the dollar index, and 105.85 is the next crucial level of resistance for the US dollar index. Similarly, euro, we were expecting something like this to happen. If the price goes beyond this, then we can look for buying. But if it does not go beyond, then look for this as the resistance. So we go to the 4-hour, it will be, I think, better. So this is what was expected. That has happened. You see, that has happened. The price has gone higher, but now is at the lows. Yes, the price has broken the it called market structure, but now we cannot be looking for the buying here because the price did not close higher than this upswing pivot. Yes, we are cautious, but the price has not traded and closed higher, so we are a little cautious. So let us remove all this and think now what is the possibility. So now what is the possibility? Now the possibility is the price will keep rising like this, okay, or it will break through this and then go like this. So these are the two possibilities here. Okay, on the upside, now we have a quick resistance at around 1.07317 area. On the low side, we have support at 1.0666 area. GBP USD, very clean breakout. Now looks like it is a Friday close and a weekly close also. So 1.2307 will be exposed after the 4 hours of the price action from here. And when the price goes to the upside, then 1.2486 should act as a good resistance in case the price closes below 1.2486 today. On the lower side, we have support at 1.2307, which is also the potential next target. Before that, I think this low should provide some support to the price. So I'm keeping that also on my screen. That is 1.2368 should be small level of support. Australian dollar, although everything is going down, but Australian dollar is still able to make higher highs and higher lows, at least on the 4 hour or maybe on the 2 hour. This is mainly because of the divergence in the RSI on the daily chart. Divergence in the RSI on the daily chart, and looks like it is looking for some reason for the price to go on to the upside. 0.6448 from here is the resistance, 0.6364 is the support for the Australian dollar. The good level of support for the New Zealand dollar must be now seen as this low here the price has just created, and the resistance is sitting at around 0.6014. This is the next level of resistance, but these broken lows are also acting as a resistance. So the crucial level for you is 0.5858 to the downside, and to the upside it is 0.6014. USD JPY, just like the dollar index. I think I told you that yeah, see the 4 hour, that whenever the price comes down, then this area should be acting as an area of support. And look at what has happened. This is nice. This is a beautiful price action. You break a resistance and then it starts acting as a support. Perfect. So what is the next level now? 148.84 is the next level of resistance for us, and 146.27 to 146.63 area, this is a crucial support for the USD JPY. If the price breaks below this region, then 144.53 will be the next area of support. On the upside, 148.84 is the resistance, and later on we have not drawn any levels. Dollar against the Canadian one, yesterday it tried to go higher, but like I said, that if it would have closed, then this would have acted as a support. But since it did not close higher than that, so it was resent back towards this rising channel support resistance area, which is now acting as a support. I think eventually the price should either break through this or come down from this, but till the time the price is trading in this range, I should not be looking for anything. 1.3669 is still a good resistance, and on the downside 1.3488 is a good support for the USD CAD. Dollar against the franc, I think this franc is weak as compared to the US dollar now. 0.9016 is the very good resistance, and also these lows are also offering some resistance to the price, but 0.9016 is the area where we should be looking for multiple sellers to jump in, and they may push the prices back towards 0.8744, where it is very good confluence of two supports here. Silver 22.21 is the target. I think next week we will see that target getting achieved. On the higher side, 23.78 and 23.90, this should be seen as an area of resistance. If the price breaks below 22.10 but 22.09, then we should be open for 19.88 in case the price breaks below 22.09. Gold 1903 is the support, and resistance is 1929. The price has tested the resistance today at around 1929.59. So this is very good price action today. Like I was saying, that there was very nice price action today. So if the price closes below this 1920 area, then we will see 1903 in the coming days, and even maybe even 1884 in the coming time. So now resistance 1929, support 1903. Brent, this okay, so Brent has been trading good in this flag. Once it breaks out of this flag, which I am expecting, it can go to 96.92 and 99.53, but I'll be waiting for that. I'll not be very quick in taking any decision because the price can even break to the downside, but right now it is looking like it is a bullish engulfing the price action of this yesterday's candle. That means there is a possibility of the price rising to 96.92. In that case, that is the resistance, and support will be around 89.87. The Bitcoin is showing no sign of recovery from here. It is trading almost at the same level, so I don't have anything to say about it. Similar is the case of Ethereum. It is also going nowhere. Euro New Zealand is a buy in the longer run, but yeah, if you have got this price, it is the best price that you can get between these two lines. But we also want the price to break out from this falling channel, then only we should be looking for any buying opportunity. But if you have already bought this, then keep your stop loss below 1.8081. Euro against the Australian dollar, one has got this opportunity. This was the second opportunity. You may get another opportunity if the price keeps falling from here. I think this test of neckline again will offer you the best opportunity possible in the euro or in the longer run, because we are bullish in this market and we are expecting higher prices towards 1.7385. $10 against New Zealand, the price is going nowhere, so it is just nothing. I said 1.0923 is the crucial level. Right now the price is trading at 1.0828 area, which is also very crucial, and on the lower side 1.0718 is a very critical level for the Australian dollar against New Zealand. GBP AUD, we want to short this market, but we want to short this market only below 1.9463. Once the price goes below that, then it will be acting as a good resistance, and we can target 1.9367 and 1.8850 in this market. Our alert should be here. US30, okay. After breakdown, I think it is going back towards this area 34,650, where we are looking for selling this market and keeping a stop loss somewhere here and a take profit somewhere here. So yes, there is a process and the process continues. So let's see how the things unfold. Right now we have limit order set. So the resistance is 34,680 and the support is very far, which is these lows, and 33,597. At CHF, nothing, but it looks like it is making a cup and a saucer formation here with a target of 0.6609, and on the downside we have support at 0.6453. Not major price action here. GBP CAD finally is breaking down and breaking down below 1.7002, which is a very critical level of support. Now breaking below that and removing this hangman will open the way to 1.6872. So GBP CAD is very bearish right now, and it looks like it is already on the verge of going back towards this 1.6872 area. Actually, this is not the low, this is the area 1.6854. This will be a double top breakdown in case the price goes below 1.6854. So let's see, which I am expecting will happen very soon. 1.7002 will start acting as a good resistance if the price closes below this today. USA Tech is on the similar lines of the Dow Jones. It closed lower. Now 15,364 area is acting as a good resistance. The target on the downside should be this low, which is 14,713, and this low, this is 14,549. Or DJPY, any buying opportunity should be seen here, should be utilized here with the target of 95.06, later on 95.85, 97.67, and 98.58, and the price closing below 93.58 should be seen as a very bearish signal for the DJPY. Last thing is the Euro GBP. Well, this is the symmetrical triangle. The price is trying to go out of it. Even if it goes out of it, 0.8610 should be seen as a resistance. On the low side, 0.85217 is the support. There is no direct, there is no particular direction of this market. So I will tend to stay away from this market until and unless it breaks out of this symmetrical triangle. Guys, today there's nothing much to talk about anything. We had the crucial levels of interest that we have shared with you. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask the question in the comment section or in the chat box that is provided. I will answer you right now. And if there is not, then I just wish you the happy weekend and close this webinar. And after the Friday's close, I mean today's closing, the daily candles, you should keep an eye on the daily charts and start making plan before the week starts. That is, on the Saturday and Sunday you should have a study about what is the probable direction the next week, then plan and then execute during that week, because if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So execute your plans, see how they work out. But in the process, never risk more than 1% of your account on a single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times that you are going to risk. All right, guys, as there are no questions, I would like to close this webinar for today, and see you again on Monday at 1700 Greenwich Mean Time. See you till then. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you for being here, and thanks for your time.